On this episode, we show you how lighting can make life better. Welcome to Q&A with Connect Electric, where you ask the questions and we answer them. Today's question comes from Quinn, one of our IG followers. Are speakers installed in the ceiling restricted depending on how your house is built? I'm going to pass this question over to one of our techs.
Good morning, guys. It's Damon with Connect Electric. Normally, if you have to install your speakers, the only thing you really have to worry about is the amount of holes that you might have to cut. So you want to make sure that what kind of walls or ceilings do you have? Are they sheetrock or are they plaster? Plaster is harder to deal with. It can crack easy. The sheetrock walls are easier to cut through and easier to patch up. I always try to look for things like crown molding, as you can see. Sometimes you can hide your wires behind that and it makes it easier to run your wires. If not, you want to try to see what route your ceiling joists are running in so that you could run it in between that, which stops from having to cut so many holes. Other than that, there's not too many barriers that you will run in. I mean, you just want to cut back on the amount of holes that you have to cut. There are alternatives if you don't want to cut a bunch of holes, or you can't cut into your ceiling for whatever reason. They have wireless solutions. I think Nest, Google, I think Bose makes a wireless speaker. And there's some other companies out there that you could look into. Of course, they cost a little bit more, but I guess it equals itself out. Those are the solutions. Those are the things that you would have to run into. If you want to run some speakers or install some speakers, run some wire, give Connect Electric a call. Thanks.
Thanks for watching Q&A with Connect Electric. See you next time.